Sage Restoration is a full-service restoration contractor that helps commercial property owners who have been affected by water, fire, mold, or biohazard damage. Sage is a turnkey provider with the resources and experience. We can perform any claim or disaster from start to finish, from contents to mitigation and repairs. As a complete full-service contractor, we can keep up with industry trends and technology to ensure we meet the challenging needs to our clients and provide them with the best service we can. Because we are not a franchise-owned restoration contractor, we can offer flexible pricing and are nimble enough to be able to tailor our services to meet your individual needs and expectations. Our main priority is to get you operating again as soon as possible, or keep you operating while we perform our services, while also saving you money. Ease, convenience, and flexibility and peace of mind are all huge benefits when using Sage. Sage has been successful in building its brand and visibility as the top contractor in the metro area.